How to fix "This site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome. Let's start with the first solution. Click the Start menu, type Control Panel, and open it. Next, click Network and Internet, then select Network and Sharing Center. Click on your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, then select Properties. In the list, scroll down and find Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6. Uncheck the box next to it, then click OK and close the window. Now open Google Chrome and check if the error has been fixed. If the problem still appears, move on to the next solution. Click the Start menu again, type Proxy, and open Proxy Settings. If Manual Proxy Settings is turned on, switch it off. Once you've done that, check whether the website opens normally. If you're still seeing the error, try the final solution. Right-click the Wi-Fi or network icon in the taskbar and select Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings, then select Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm the action. Your computer will restart automatically to apply the changes. After your PC restarts, open Google Chrome and try visiting the website again. In most cases, the "This site can't be reached" error should now be resolved. And that's it. That's how you can fix the "This site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.